We were telling you about in Grosse Pointe Farms, the police there are warning you to be on the lookout for a phone scam.
Yeah, and Simon Chowdhury shows us why the man who picked up the phone almost fell victim to this.
We all know there are phone scams going around, but one scammer tried to sound so legit, he pretended to be the Grosse Pointe Farms police chief.
Oh my gosh, what did I do wrong and how do I deal with this?
That's what the potential victim thought when he got a phone call from a scammer Saturday morning. The caller said he was Grosse Pointe Farms Police Chief Daniel Jensen and that a warrant was out for his arrest if he did not pay a fine right then.
I never received any kind of court notice, nor do I believe this is how any court would deal with this, saying you have to show up on a Saturday.
The caller threatened to send an officer to his home if he did not pay 2 fines, and he had the man's correct address.
One was for $1,200, the other was for $1,000. And he said if I showed up as soon as possible at 90 Kirby, we can take care of the matter.
90 Kirby is the municipal building, including the police department.
Who knows how they could have proceeded at that point.
The caller also told our potential victim to make sure he brings cash because the kiosk that accepts credit cards is down. But take a look around. What kiosk? There is none.
A court's never going to request cash for anything for the police. But even with that background in my knowledge base, I won't lie, there was a minute there where you're like, oh my gosh, I got to turn around and go deal with this.
The man got off the phone after about 10 minutes and called police. He hopes others will learn from this incident and not become a victim.
As long as people are falling for it, there's no reason why people aren't going to keep trying.
And police tell us the chief would not call individuals looking for a payment involving a warrant. But if you're still not sure, take the information of the person on the other line and then call police. In Grosse Pointe Farms, Simon Chowdhury for the Now Detroit.
Simon, thanks. We're getting ready for